Grades of Class 2025 of Marcos National High School. Do hereby solemnly declare and promise that we shall always continue faithfully to search for the truth, goodness and usefulness, for which our alma mater stands, that we shall in thoughts, words and deeds uphold the principles of our alma mater, to always live and lead in excellence, to live up the noble expectations of our beloved parents and teachers, to become highly competent, civic-spirited, and God-loving Filipino youth, to remain loyal to the Republic of the Philippines, my country, under the rule of laws, and upholding the values of being makajos, makabansa, makatao at makakalikasan, and to dedicate our talents in a ritual service to the entire mankind, and nurture with love, trust, tolerance, and humility. So help us God.